Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by securing the car on stands and removing the link nut so the link is loose. This prevents binding while you cut. Once loose, use a marker to score the link at the desired length so you cut straight. Choose an angle grinder for speed or a reciprocating saw for control, and clamp a heat sink or scrap metal under the cut to reduce vibration. Put on eye and ear protection. Make the first shallow pass to establish the groove before deepening the cut. Now you'll cut progressively, not in one go. Take short, controlled passes to avoid overheating and blade binding. Once done with the initial groove, deepen it while rotating the link or repositioning the tool to keep the cut even. Make sure to pause and cool the metal with water or a damp rag. This prevents tempering and degrading the ball joint. Keep sparks shielded from the rubber boot and suspension paint, if possible. Remove nearby components or use a heat shield to protect them. Finish by dressing the cut edge with a file to remove sharp burrs, then test fit the replacement link and torque the nut to the manufacturer's specification. If the cutting blade binds at any point, stop, back the tool out, clear debris, and switch to a fresh blade before resuming. If you observe any damage to the ball stud or boot, make sure to replace the entire sway bar link assembly rather than reusing a compromised part. This preserves safety and prevents premature failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.